Hello, and welcome to today's Play at Home program. My name is Miss Katie. Play at Home is a program designed for ages 2 and up and their grown-ups. Grown-ups can sign up a week in advance to reserve a Play at Home kit. The materials inside the kit are what you need to play along. You'll be practicing an early learning or early literacy skill. The sign up for next week's kit is down below in the comments field. You can also call the library and see if they have a kit for this week, and they'll be happy to put it aside for you. This week's kit is all about lacing and some fine motor practice. Inside each kit are 2 foam shapes that have holes punched out and 2 shoelaces. Your child is going to go ahead and put the lace through each of the holes as they go. They'll be going all the way around, and I'm going much faster because I have used shoelaces for a long time. But practicing this in and out motion and pinching the eyelet of the shoelace is going to give them practice for when they eventually will pinch materials to write. There are more ways to do play with these materials at home. You could put your foam piece on a piece of paper and draw a pencil mark in each of the holes. Once you remove the foam piece, you've made a connect the dots picture for your child to go ahead and practice connecting those dots to make a picture. They'll either make a heart or a star. Another thing that you can do is you could do a pattern. You wouldn't do every one then. You would do every other hole so that you are skipping one to make a pattern. That takes some great concentration on our friend's part to remember to skip. So you might have to help them by saying skip and then move on to the next dot. It won't go all the way around. It will look a bit more abstract if you are making a pattern. And lastly, these are shoelaces. You could practice tying knots. You just have to be prepared that if your child ties a knot, that you'll be able to be patient enough to help them untie it. I hope you've enjoyed these ideas for keeping some fun as you play at home. We'll see you again next week with another play at home idea. Until then, happy learning, friends. Bye.